Hello, everyone, and welcome to Discover Knowledge. Today, you are not just learning English, you are living English. This story will help you improve your listening, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence. The best way to use this lesson is simple. Listen carefully, pause the video, repeat every sentence aloud. Imagine that you are the main character in this story. Now let's begin. A new beginning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The alarm starts ringing. You slowly open your eyes. A new day has begun. You stretch your arms and take a deep breath. You smile because today feels different. Today is a new beginning. You get out of bed. The room is quiet. The morning air feels fresh. You open the curtains. The sunlight fills the room. You look outside the window. The streets are calm. Birds are singing. The sky is bright and blue. You feel peaceful. You say to yourself, "Today will be a great day." Now repeat, "Today will be a great day." One more time. Today will be a great day. Excellent. Starting the morning. You make your bed. Everything looks neat and clean. A clean room makes you feel relaxed. You pick up your phone. There are a few new messages. You read them quickly. Then you put your phone away. You don't want to waste your morning. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face. The cold water wakes you up completely. You brush your teeth. You look into the mirror. You smile again. You feel confident. You are ready for the day. Now repeat, "I feel confident. I am ready for the day. Today is a new beginning." Excellent. Making breakfast. You walk into the kitchen. The kitchen smells fresh. You open the refrigerator. There are eggs, milk, butter, fruit, and vegetables. You decide to make a healthy breakfast. You crack 2 eggs into a pan. The eggs begin to cook. You toast 2 slices of bread. You make a cup of hot coffee. The smell of coffee fills the kitchen. It smells wonderful. You slice an apple. You pour a glass of orange juice. Everything is ready. You sit down at the table. Before eating, you quietly say, "I'm thankful for this new day." Now repeat, "I'm thankful for this new day." It smells wonderful. Breakfast is ready. Excellent. Learning while eating. While enjoying breakfast, you decide to practice English. You open your notebook. You write 5 new English words. Happy, confident, opportunity, journey, success. Now say them again. Happy, confident, opportunity, journey, success. Now make simple sentences. I am happy today. I feel confident. Every day is a new opportunity. My English journey starts today. Success comes with practice. Excellent. Getting ready to leave. You finish your breakfast. You wash the dishes. You put on clean clothes. You check your bag. Your notebook is inside. Your water bottle is inside. Your wallet is inside. Your keys are inside. Everything is ready. Before leaving, you look around your room. Everything is clean. Everything is organized. That makes you feel calm. You lock the door. You step outside. The weather is beautiful. A cool breeze touches your face. You smile again. You feel excited? A new adventure is waiting for you. Now repeat, "The weather is beautiful. Everything is ready. I feel excited. A new adventure is waiting for me." Excellent work. Shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat. Today is a new beginning. I feel confident. Breakfast is ready. It smells wonderful. I am thankful for this new day. Every day is a new opportunity. Success comes with practice. Everything is ready. The weather is beautiful. I feel excited. A new adventure is waiting for me. Repeat these sentences 3 times. Leaving home. You lock the front door. You take one last look at your house. The fresh morning air feels cool and refreshing. The streets are becoming busier. People are walking to work. Some are riding bicycles. Others are waiting for the bus. Everyone seems ready for a new day. You begin walking with confidence. You smile at a passerby. They smile back. A simple smile can brighten someone's day. Now repeat. Good morning. Have a wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning. I'm ready for today. At the bus stop. You arrive at the bus stop. Several people are already waiting. The bus hasn't arrived yet. You check the time. You are early. That's a good feeling. A person standing nearby says, Good morning. You reply, Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. That's great to hear. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it really is. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. You too. The bus arrives. Everyone gets on quietly. You find an empty seat near the window. You enjoy watching the city wake up. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. That's great to hear. It's a beautiful day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. You too. Excellent. Stopping at a coffee shop. Before going to work, you decide to buy a cup of coffee. You enter a small coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee fills the room. Soft music is playing. The atmosphere feels warm and welcoming. You walk to the counter. Good morning. Good morning. What would you like today? I'd like a medium latte, please. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, I'd like a cheese sandwich. Anything else? No, thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you. While waiting, you look around. Some people are reading books. Some are working on their laptops. Others are chatting with friends. Everyone looks relaxed. Soon your order is ready. Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. New vocabulary. Fresh. Warm. Relaxed. Friendly. Comfortable. Delicious. Welcoming. Quiet. Busy. Wonderful. Now repeat each word slowly. Then use them in your own sentences. Arriving at work. You finally arrive at work. You take a deep breath before entering. Today is your first day. You feel a little nervous, but you also feel excited. You remind yourself, I can do this. You walk inside with confidence. People are smiling. The office looks bright and modern. You introduce yourself politely. Hello, nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Welcome to the team. Thank you. I'm happy to be here. We're happy to have you. Everyone makes you feel comfortable. Now repeat. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for your kindness. Native English expressions. Take it easy. No worries. Everything will be fine. You can do it. One step at a time. Keep smiling. Stay positive. Believe in yourself. Never stop learning. Practice every day. Success doesn't happen overnight. Small steps make big progress. Final shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat. I can do this. I'm happy to be here. Everything will be fine. Believe in yourself. Take it easy. One step at a time. Practice every day. Small steps make big progress. Success doesn't happen overnight. Making new friends. After settling into your new workplace, you decide to introduce yourself to a few people. You walk over with a friendly smile. Hello, nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. How are you enjoying your first day? So far, it's been wonderful. That's great to hear. If you ever need help, just let me know. Thank you. I really appreciate that. No problems. Let's have lunch together. I'd love to. You instantly feel more comfortable. Sometimes one friendly conversation can make a new place feel like home. Now repeat. Nice to meet you. I'd love to. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your kindness. Lunchtime. It's finally lunchtime. You and your new friends walk to a nearby restaurant. The place is clean and quiet. You look at the menu. Everything looks delicious. A waiter comes to your table. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like grilled chicken with rice, please. What would you like to drink? I'll have a bottle of water. Excellent choice. While waiting for the food, everyone starts talking. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I enjoy reading books and learning English. That's a great hobby. What about you? I enjoy traveling and taking pictures. The food arrives. It smells amazing. Everyone enjoys the meal. After lunch, you say, "Thank you for the wonderful lunch. It was my pleasure." Learning something new. Back at work, you learn many new things. At first, some tasks seem difficult. Instead of giving up, you stay calm. You ask questions. You listen carefully. You take notes. Little by little, everything becomes easier. You realize that learning takes time. Making mistakes is normal. Every mistake teaches you something new. Now, repeat. Learning takes time. Every mistake is a lesson. I learn something new every day. Practice makes progress. Going home. The workday is over. You leave the office with a smile. The sky is turning orange. The weather feels cool. You slowly walk home. Along the way, you stop at a small grocery store. You buy fresh fruit, bread, and milk. The cashier smiles. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful evening. You too. Simple conversations like these help you become more confident in English. Evening routine. You arrive home. You take off your shoes. You change into comfortable clothes. You prepare a light dinner. While eating, you think about your day. You feel proud of yourself. Today, you learned new English words. You met new people. You spoke English with confidence. You stepped outside your comfort zone. That is real progress. After dinner, you read a few pages of an English book. Then you listen to an English podcast for a few minutes. You practice speaking in front of a mirror. Every day, your pronunciation becomes clearer. Every day, your confidence grows stronger. Positive daily affirmations. Now repeat after me. I can speak English confidently. I improv every single day. I enjoy learning English. Mistakes help me grow. I believe in myself. I never give up. My future is bright. Success comes with practice. I am proud of my progress. I will keep learning. Final shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat. Today was a wonderful day. I met new people. I learned many new things. Every mistake is a lesson. Practice makes progress. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning English. Success comes with patience. Tomorrow is another opportunity to improve. I will never stop learning. Excellent! You have completed episode 1. Give yourself a smile. Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying once. Fluency comes from listening, repeating, and practicing every day. Thank you for spending your time with Discover Knowledge.